questions is, does the vacuum really collect 99% of the dust?
What we'll do for demonstration, we'll make a cut
Okay.
with the vacuum system, and then we're going to unplug the actual vacuum so everyone can see what it would be like.
Okay, that sounds great.
We'll put on the appropriate gear when we do that.
Thank
All
you.
right?
Okay,
Let's get her cut.
let's make the cut.
So we're going to unplug the vacuum. So all we have to do is reach down here and unplug it from the saw.
Great.
So we have no vacuum system right now.
Okay.
Let's take a look at what we
Let's see. Whoa, that's crazy.
And you obviously can see the difference of vacuum and no vacuum.
I mean, I can even smell it through the mask.
Yeah.
So that's
That's a lot of dust.
a lot of dust. That is. We don't want that. We
We want to plug it back in, right?
plug it in. That's why we have it.